is such a simple thing.
You got it upside down. Okay.
It starts with just a piece of string, yet dipped or poured with patient hand, it gathers wax upon the strand, until rainbow-hued or snowy white, it gives at last a lovely light. Our lives are like that piece of string. Each deed we do a simple thing, yet day by day, if on life's strand we work with gentle heart and hand, it gathers joy and makes dark days bright, and gives at last a lovely light.
Oh my.
And then I wanted to tell you a little story. Quite a few years ago, about my birthday time, I went to the mailbox. It's always fun at those times to expect a little mail. I went to the mailbox and I found 2 large envelopes. I opened them. The first one I opened was from Pat. And it was a Hallmark card, and it said, "I love you, Mom, but I'll never forgive you for wiping my face with spit on your handkerchief." And then she wrote a little more on the card, which was nice. So then I opened, now see, Elaine, now Shirley, Pat,
I'm Pat.
was living in Maryland. Then I got one with a California postmark, and it was from Elaine. And I opened it, and I read it, and it said, "I love you, Mom, but I'll never forgive you for wiping my face with spit on your handkerchief." And I asked these girls if they had planned this. They hadn't, not even the cards or
Is
the
that right?
time,
The
and
same
they came
year?
in my mailbox the same day. So
Same day, same year.
I guess I wasn't such a good mother, but I thought there must be a lot like me, or Hallmark wouldn't make a card like that.
You were very thrifty.
She didn't wash us up right before she got us to church. That was the problem.